prayer videos up to 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. Prayer niche, it is blowing up channels. There are few people in this niche. Not just that, YouTube monetizes them. Now, why is prayer niche a target right now? Prayer niche, people just put it on, they play it. It can be up to 2 hours. They just play it and leave it. It continues playing. They are listening to what that prayer niche is saying, not what is being happening on the screen. Not just that, at night, people click on prayer videos. They just leave it on and sleep off. Okay, so prayer niche is blowing up channels. People are getting views, massive views. Not just that, YouTube is monetizing it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, it is how to create long form prayer videos for free. All the tools we will be using is free. If it is what you're interested in, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to see your comments on the comment section. Okay, so now, the first thing is to head over to ChatGPT. I'm right here on ChatGPT. Feel free to, pause this video and copy my prompt. Now, when you copy my prompt, what you need to edit is morning prayer. You can see I'm making a 10-minute morning prayer. It is a 10-minute morning prayer that I want ChatGPT to write for me. So if you want 10-minute financial prayer, ChatGPT write it for you. If you want 10 minutes prayer for the sick, healing, relationship, financial breakthrough, prayer for those that are poor, prayer for those that are going through a serious heartbreak, prayer, just in edit where I inputted that money and ChatGPT writes it for you. Now, we will be doing all we can on ChatGPT first move before moving to any other place. ChatGPT has given me the prayers, all right? Equally, I need another thing, all right? Now, once ChatGPT write the prayer, just take your time and go through the prayer that ChatGPT, wrote for you. Okay, it will be long, especially how long you want it. If you want up to 1 hour, ChatGPT can do that. Now, the next thing you need is request for image prompt. All these stories, all these prayers need video. It's not just that you need video for them. Okay, so what you do is request for prayer. All right. Now, I can see what I'm typing. I need an image prompt for the above prayer, about 50 image prompts. You can request for up to 100. Now, you already know that the minimum for each image or each video you generate for free is 8 seconds, okay? And 10 of it gives you about 80, that is a minute plus. All right, so I requested for 50 cinematic images for these prayers that I can use for these prayers. And ChatGPT gave it to them. These are these prayers. All right, now after that, the next thing you need is AI voice text to speech. I'm giving you the free. This Google AI Studio is one of the free text to speech you can use. This one, all right. I'm giving you all the possible text to speech you can. Another one is Clip Charm. You see this one? Text to speech for video. This particular one is equally free. All right. Another one is 11 Labs. Okay. When you log in using 11 Labs allows you to generate, I think, about 10 minutes voiceover. All right, text to speech. So, but let's start with text to speech. But you can use any of these three that I've listed for you. Okay, any one of them. Now, I'm on 11 Labs. Click on text to speech right here. Okay, it comes out this way. All right, this is how you see it. Mind you, you can do this using any device of your choice. It mustn't be laptop. Okay, now once you've done that, you head over to our, see, you can see how long this prayer is. Very long. It's very long, very long. The prayer is very long. So I'm trying to copy the whole prayers, but I do not know what is happening. So what you just do right now, go to the, let's start copying it small. Now I copied some parts, I've pasted it. Okay, I will equally go back You can see I can generate 5,000 words at a go. So I do not want to generate straight. But first, let's choose our the voice we will be using. Right here on the right hand side, you can see all these voices here. Choose any one of them. Click on it and listen to what they are saying. Click on it and listen to what they're saying. Click any one of them and use. But for me, I'll just go with Roger. Eric, I do not like this, Eric. Let's go up. Okay, I think this one is better. All right. This one, I'll go with Roger. All right, this particular one. Immediately you click on it, that is the one you use to generate. But mind you, I need to head back to ChatGPT to copy more. I have space to generate up to 5,000 words voice at a go. So I cannot just generate 800. I need to complete it. Okay, at least let it get to 4,500. So what I'll do is I'll keep copying, you know, just copying them gradually, head back here and paste it. You can see I'm right at 1,531. Head back to ChatGPT, continue from where I stopped the other time and copy. All right, let's take this out. Let's take this out and head back to the prayer, right? I've copied, I've equally pasted. Now in total, I have 4,950. That is what I've copied so far. Okay, you can see all of it. 4,950. Then I'll click on generate. It starts generating my voiceover. All right, it starts generating my voiceover. The first step to this is you telling ChatGPT the kind of prayer you want to generate. The second step is you telling ChatGPT to give you image prompt. The third step is you coming to your voiceover, either 11 Labs, Clipcharm, Google Studio, text to speech. You generate your voice, your prayer. Okay. Now you can see here, right here, it has generated. Click on it and it downloads. It has downloaded. It generated me 6 minutes 20 seconds voice prayer. Okay, 6 minutes 20 seconds voice. You see that? So I've not even copied the whole scene, the whole prayer that ChatGPT gave to me. If I copy all, it is gonna be more than 10 minutes that I talked about. Okay, so click here. And now the next thing you will be doing, head over to Google Flow. We have gotten our script, image, voiceover or speech or prayer. The next thing is our image and video. Okay, so the next step is Google Flow. You can use any other image generator, video generator, good. But right on Google Flow, you can generate in bulk right on Google Flow. So let's go. Now you come down. I do not like bombarding the images, so I'll just take it 5. Okay. Now remember ChatGPT gave you 50. So start from 1. I can copy up to 10, but I prefer going it gradually up to 5. Okay, you copy. Please keep watching this video. It is important you watch this part. Paste it here. Make sure the agent is highlighted. The agent should be highlighted. Okay. Come here. Indicate the size and save. Immediately you save, you do not need anything here. Send. Now this method generates you 5 images, 5 images at a go. Why? Because the prompt or the image prompt ChatGPT gave to you does not even need consistent character. Okay, you do not need consistent character. So you can generate as much as 100 at a go, 50 as a go, 10 as a go. But I decided to take it gradually. See, it's doing the generation all through because what ChatGPT gave to me does not need consistency. Just any generation that goes along with what my prayer is talking about. Right? You can see this. It started with morning sun, to show you it is a morning prayer. All right. Now, another way, let's copy 6 to 10. Okay. Now, this is the easiest way you can do this. Mind you, you can decide to um do the generation one after the other, is your choice. But for me, it is easier this way. Same thing. Now I reduce what each image should generate to one and saved it. So it will be fast. All right. I do not want it. So that is how you keep generating your image. Generate all the 50 of them. That means your job is almost done. With this, you can generate in a day, you can generate up to 10 prayer videos with this method. Okay. One, you do not need a dialogue, you do not need much. What you just need is what 11 Labs gives you. Now, the next thing is you to animate. Okay, but we have to wait for it to finish animating. Now, for those that do not know Google Flow gives you access to animate, that is, turn your image to video on a daily basis. It gives you to generate up to five per email. So if you have multiple email, you're able to generate more, up to 50 videos a day. All right. Now, this particular email I cannot generate here because I've done the generation for the day and I've exhausted my video generation for the day. So what I'll do now is go ahead and download all these images. All right. The part that has two, choose the one I want. Go ahead, download all the images that I generated. In so far, I have generated 10 right here. Okay. So I want to turn it into video first before proceeding. Okay, so just go ahead and generate all of it right here, download it. Just keep downloading all the video. All right, now I've logged into another Google Flow using another email. Okay, click on start. All right, immediately you click on start, you will be animating those images one after the other. You will be animating those images one after the other. Remember, each, like this particular email right here, I can animate up to 5 videos for free on this email. If I generate 5 today, I will log out, log in another email and generate another 5. The next day it continues. On a daily basis, it is 5 each email. Okay, so that is why I love using Google Flow. So I do not even need to type, I'll just click on animate. Okay, now you do not need your background to say anything. This video I'm generating, you do not need the backgrounds to say anything. All you need from these backgrounds is for them to just be moving. You do not need the sound, you do not even need the background music, you do not need the dialogue, you do not need anything. The only thing you need is silent movement, emotions. That is what you need. Silent movement. So I've inputted all the image. I just brought about 5 image in because I know this email will go for me for 5 videos. So I just brought in 5, allowing it to upload. Once it uploads, I do not need to stress myself. All I need to go right now is type in animate right here. Okay, I've already inserted this one, so I'll just go with it, animate. So you see, I'll click on the 3 dots edge here, animate. Once you click on animate, it comes here, you key in animate, finish. All right, you do not need prompting, make her talk and all. No, no, no. Just a normal animation. Okay, that is all you need to do, and you continue. I have to keep typing animate all the images, animate. All right, scroll down. Anyone that have not animated, the same thing, animate right here, animate and send, and it animates for me. Okay, now you can see I've exhausted. I've done 5 video right here. I've exhausted it. You can see that I'm out of Google Flow free credits. Okay, so I either upgrade or I wait tomorrow and generate again, or I will log out, log in using another email. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and download all the 5 videos that I've generated so far. All the 5 videos that I've generated so far. Go ahead and download them. Same thing here, download, scroll up, all right, and download all the video. Mind you, all the tools I'm using here, you can access it using your phone or your laptop, okay? You can access it using your phone or your laptop. Now, the next part is you going to your editing tool. I will be using CapCut. Yeah, you need to edit. You need to edit it. Yeah. So this is CapCut. We click on create project. Okay, click on create project. Once you click on create project, all right, you allow it pops up this way. Okay, right here. Remember, we have saved our voiceover or our text to speech. We have saved it. We've equally gotten our image and our video. The last part is the editing part. You do not need the sounds from the videos. These are all the videos. I've inputted them right here. Okay. Now it will be better. The next thing I will look for is for the voicing. Okay, that we saved. It should be under download. Okay, I'll just go down, down, down. This is it, 11 labs. Click on it, it comes here. Okay. Now, having done that, you can see we have 6 minutes, 6.6 minutes, 20 seconds voiceover. Okay. Now start the image according to the generation ChatGPT gave you. Start the image according to that, or your video according to that. So when it is talking according to what the prayer is going. Like the beginning of this prayer started with morning. So ChatGPT gave me an image prompt of mornings, the a morning weather. All right. So I will be, inputting them according to how it should be. And mind you, the sound, there will be no sound on the videos. The only voice that we will be hearing is the voice that comes from ChatGPT. Sorry, from 11 Labs. All right. That is the only voice we will be hearing. You scroll down. Now it is time to bring in the voice. Silent, you can see I muted all that. Take the voice below. This is where the voice should be below. Okay. The voice should be below. Now, all this space will be covered with either images or video. Possibly go with videos if you can't generate enough video, but if you cannot, you can as well go with images to fill in all the remaining 6 minutes. All right, immediately you're done, you click on export and you export.
Heavenly Father, thank you for waking me up this morning. Thank you for giving me another day, another opportunity, another breath, another chance to begin again. I may not know what today will bring, but I know that you are already there. Before I take my first step, you have gone before me. Before I face my responsibilities, you already know what I will encounter. Before I receive the news, make the decision, answer the phone, go to work, meet someone, or deal with a problem, you already know everything.